If Monday.com is showing an error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to work fast. These are simple troubleshooting methods that solve most Monday.com issues, including loading problems, login errors, and pages that just refuse to respond. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. First, try refreshing the page. A simple refresh can clear a temporary glitch and reload Monday.com properly. If that doesn't work, sign out of your account completely, then sign back in. Sometimes your session can get stuck, and logging out and back in gives Monday.com a fresh start. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is working normally, and if possible, switch to a different network to see whether the error is related to your connection. A weak or unstable network can cause Monday.com to fail to load correctly. If you're still seeing the problem, browser extensions may be interfering. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off any ad blockers or other extensions that could block Monday.com scripts from loading. After disabling them, refresh the page and check whether the issue is fixed. Another common cause is a VPN or proxy. If you have one enabled, turn it off and then refresh Monday.com again. Some VPNs or proxies can interfere with app authentication, page loading, or secure connections, so this is an important step to test. If none of that works, clear your browser cache and cookies. On most browsers, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time, then select Cache and Cookies, clear the data, and restart your browser. This removes stored files that may be causing the Monday.com error and gives you a clean session when you reopen the site. After restarting, open Monday.com again and sign in once more. In many cases, one of these steps will resolve the issue immediately. The most effective fixes are usually refreshing, signing out and back in, disabling extensions, turning off VPNs, and clearing cache and cookies. If you're still having trouble after trying everything in this video, the issue may be on Monday.com's side or tied to your account settings. In that case, you may want to wait a bit and try again later, or contact Monday.com support for further help. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you fix the Monday.com error, please give the video a like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides just like this one.